Hello students, I am Dr. Meenakshi Maur, Assistant Professor, Zoology, Sri Soumyaji Government College, Mandvia, Chittorgarh. Today I am going to explain vegetative reproduction in bacteria. A single bacteria in favorable condition can be divided repeatedly to yield a clone of offspring. Bacteria can be reproduced by vegetative methods, asexual reproduction, or sexual reproduction. Today I am going to explain vegetative reproduction in bacteria. Vegetative reproduction in bacteria can be by binary fission or budding. So first is binary fission. This type of reproduction is most common in all the kinds of bacteria. In binary fission, the bacterial DNA undergoes replication with the help of septal mesosome. Under favorable conditions, the bacterial cell expands, cytoplasm divides into two parts due to constriction and formation of transverse septum in the center of the cell. And later, these two parts separate apart from each other and give rise to two identical daughter cells. And both are the completely new cells, not one not one old cell, and not no one new cell. Then each daughter cell grows into a new bacterium. The time taken for the cell to reproduce itself is known as generation time, and it depends on the type of organism and environmental condition. If condition is favorable, then for binary fission, the bacteria they divide after every 20 minutes. So in this way, each cell divided into 4 in 40 minutes, 8 in 1 hour, 64 into 2 hours, and so on. So all bacteria cannot survive due to lack of food and space and harmful metabolic waste secreted by them. So only 10% of the bacteria can survive. So binary fission is a division of one parent organism into two daughter bodies, and it takes place in two steps. First is the replication of genetic material and division, then second is division of parent's body into two. So first of all, you can see this is a chromosome. Now chromosome replication, DNA replication, then segregation of chromosomes, then cytokinesis. So at the spot of origin, it may be here or here, anywhere. So there is a one spot of origin where the DNA of bacteria started to replicate. So cell replicates its DNA. The two parts of DNA move towards opposite ends of the cell, and due to which chromosome is also pulled. And for adding the separation of newly formed chromosomes, the cell gets longer. So here you can see it is getting longer. The cytoplasmic membrane elongates and separates DNA molecule, that is a replicated DNA molecule. So here you can see two molecule now, two DNA molecule. It's a single, then replication occur, then there is a two molecule of DNA. So on the completion of division of the genetic material, the newly formed chromosome shifts to opposite end of the cell, and it begins the cytoplasmic division process. So the crosswall forms, and this membrane invaginates. Crosswall forms completely. So cell membrane pinches inwards, and the new dividing cell wall is formed in the middle of the cell. Then the septum, this is the septum, splits down in the middle and give rise to two individual cells. So now you can get two daughter cells. So again, it is a nucleate of chromosome. The cytoplasmic membrane elongates, separates DNA molecule after its replication. Cross-wall forms, membrane invaginates. Now there are two daughter cells. So this is a binary fission, and it's the most common in all kinds of bacteria. Now the second vegetative reproduction is by budding. Here you can see bud. So in this process, a small bud forms at the end of mother cell or on filament called prostica. So when the growth proceeds, the size of mother cell remains about constant, but the bud enlarges. But when the bud is about the same size as the mother cell, it separates and this is known as offspring. Now it will form new bacteria. So there are group of environmental bacteria which reproduce by budding. So in this process, small bud enlarges, and this type of reproduction is analogous to that in budding fungi, that is Saccharomyces cerevisiae. There is a difference between fission and budding. In the budding, in budding, the mother cell often has a different properties from the offspring. In some Pasteria strain, the daughter buds have a flagellum and are motile, whereas the mother cells lack flagella, but they may have long pili and holdfast appendages at the end opposite of the bud. So, the related planktomyces, which are found in plankton, have a long fibrillous stalk at the end opposite the bud. So, there is a much difference between budding and fission. Example is Bacterium bifidus. So, vegetative reproduction can be by binary fission and budding. Now in next lecture I will discuss asexual reproduction in bacteria, which can be by endospore formation, conidia formation or cyst formation.